It is our experiment in Wheat Research Institute second spacing cum seed rate trial of wheat. Spacing, first spacing 6 inch, second spacing 9 inch, and spacing 3 12 inch 1 foot. And seed rate 1 40 kgs per acre, and seed rate 2 50 kg per acre, and seed rate 3 60 kg per acre, and seed rate 4 70 kg per acre. It contains experiment on upcoming wheat varieties and shows seed rate.